it's Linda Medeiros, director with the Temp Check and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, I'm doing just an easy, like a barbecue chicken in my Deluxe Air Fryer, and also going to do some carrots and some rice. Easy, easy, easy recipe. So let me show you what I'm doing. We are going to put some chicken. I got the chicken right here in my batter bowl. I love how big this is. And then in my taste bud service, I actually love taste buds. This recipe, I love that I can actually just kind of adapt a little bit to what I have on hand. This is a wing recipe, and I'm actually going to use it for my, just with my thighs. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this. This is the Kansas City barbecue that is coming out soon. We're going to sprinkle that on. Let me see if I can open this up. I'm going to put my chicken in there. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can, so you can see what's going on there. So I've got some right on here. And these are just, thighs. Look really easy. Let's put some on the other side too. Oh, got a lot on there. Let's put that right there. I'm gonna put one, and it's only my husband and I tonight. So literally all I need is 3. One for each of us to have tonight, and then one for him for tomorrow. So we're just gonna put that, and I might dust this a little bit more. And then I need a little more. Let's throw this in here for now. I need a little bit more on this chicken. So we're just gonna put that right there. And maybe a pinch. Yep, I can do a pinch, and we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit more because I think I need a little more on that. So these are gonna go in, and let's put this yucca, that's technical cooking term, that yucca bowl, and I'm just gonna put it on air fry, and it says 25 minutes, but I am actually gonna increase the time for this because I really believe it's gonna take a little bit longer because those thighs are a little bit bigger than chicken wings are, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do for my side dish. So let me see if I can put my camera down here. I got my husband taking in my laundry so you can hear that. I'm gonna take, this is a clean cutting board because I did not put the chicken on here. I just put it in a bowl. And I just peeled my carrots with my veggie peeler. And you can see this is gonna go into my freezer. These are just odds and ends from vegetables. That will become a stock at some point. Don't throw away that stuff because it comes out really good. And now I'm gonna just cut these on an angle, just like that. Just angle it, angle it, angle it. And you can also use our crinkle cutter, which is really nice. We'll put some nice crinkles on it, okay? So we're just gonna throw that into my stainless steel bowl, and a little bit of salt. These are my salt grinders, and pepper. And then we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here and just get this all kind of mixed together. And I'm actually gonna put these in because sometimes carrots take a little bit longer and sometimes they don't. So I'm just gonna mix that up. And let's see, this might be too hot right now to do. So let me see. Not too hot yet. So I'm just gonna throw my carrots on there. And if I see, because about halfway through, I'm gonna be, there we go. I'm gonna be kind of mixing this around and turning my chicken over. So about halfway through, I am gonna see how those carrots are. If they're not done, or if they are done, I'm gonna take them out if they're done, and then put them in the last minute just to heat them up, okay? So then I'm also gonna do some rice. So let's, a little bit of butter. Put whatever kind of oil you want. Occasionally I do bacon fat, don't judge me. So we've got that there. Now, I've got a little bit of rice, and I'm just going to actually all of that rice in my Easy Read measuring cup. And then I have a little bit of the pasta. So I'm also gonna add just a little bit of that to it. Just almost like a rice pilaf, okay? So let me get a little thing here to do. So just like a little bit of a rice pilaf, and you know, just kind of make it myself. So we're gonna throw this in here and toast it, okay? As I get my rice all over the place. Okay, so that's gonna be toasting. And what I'm gonna put in the pan also is, I've got some of these green onions are gonna start going. So I wanna use them up, okay? And this is a balancing act in your kitchen. And these are gonna go into that bag also. It's a balancing act in your kitchen of, you know, making sure that things don't start getting just bad in your kitchen, in your refrigerator, on your pantry. And so you want to use up what you have, you know, in your kitchen. Now the rest of this, that's going to go into my thing, is going to go in at the end. So the greens, I'm going to chop up with my Santoku knife to go on top once this is done, okay? So we're toasting that rice just a little bit, and then going to put in my, you know, you put some seasoning in, you can put some, you know, just let it go like that. And then I'm gonna put this on at the very, very end. It's gonna give some brightness to it, some color, and all of that, okay? So that's the green onion part of this. So let's see, this is gonna be toasting a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to get brown, okay? See how the pasta, it's mostly the pasta that will do it. It'll just get a little bit of hint of brown and nutty. And what's great about this is you can put whatever kind of stock you want. You can put water in it. You can put some nuts in here, maybe some toasted almonds in here, or you can do some, you know, walnuts and, you know, any kind of, you know, nut that you want. But and also for a nice little sweet, you can put some golden raisins, cranberries, anything like that in it too. So what I'm going to do is in the stainless steel bowl, I have some chicken stock. So, and I'm just using the same bowl. And we're just going to put that right in there. And I'm going to cover this. And then once it comes up to boil, I'm going to cover it. And then it'll absorb. And then I'll add in that green onion. Okay, so let's see. I've got my little mini oven mitts on. And let's see how this is going. And we're just going to turn this. I just want them kind of done on either side too. And you know, it might take a little bit longer with it than what I have it on for. But, and what I love about putting the carrots in the bottom is that you get all of the juices from the chicken also. So that's going to make it taste even better. So these are going to have a little bit more to do. So we're just going to keep that on for another 17 minutes at least. And then let's check on the rice. So let's see this. How are we doing here? Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. So what I'm going to do is I actually am going to shut this down because we've got a little bit of time. And there is a little bit of liquid in there, but we've got a little bit of time. So I'm just going to throw the greens on top. And this will actually stay nice and warm in here. It won't be overly hot. And at the last minute, I will just kind of mix those in. And, you know, sometimes I'll throw some parsley in them too if I had some fresh parsley. But we will see. Okay, so this has shut off. And I may need to do it a little bit longer. But I'm going to use my thermometer. And I'm going to put it into the largest one. And we're going to see what this is. And you know what? It is at 173, still climbing. So I'm going to put it in someplace else just to make sure. And that is the temperature, you know, about 165 is actually what we wanted. So this is done. And I'm going to plate it up in just a minute. Okay, everybody, here it is. This is the Kansas City, I think it was Kansas City, barbecue rub. Chicken thighs with the roasted carrots, and then we have a rice pilaf. Easy to make. Literally, what was this? Maybe 5-10 minutes hands-on time, and then the rest of the time I literally just read a little bit, just kind of decompress from the day. And what I love about this Deluxe Air Fryer is I can do things like this. I can make the chicken wings in it. I can use it as a small little oven. I may use it as a toaster. I use it for pretty much every single day. And this is one of these things that has been sold out because it frankly is so popular. And this is available to my host only at 60% off for about, I think that's $111 and change, which is really, really great. So if you want to get into my calendar to get this, do so because time is ticking and you will be using this constantly. In fact, my daughter just came home from Florida and is going to be getting an apartment, and she said, "Ma, I need one of those deluxe air fryers." So absolutely, she's getting one, and because she will use it a lot. So this is Linda Medeiros, director with the Temp Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. What are you cooking up tonight? Because Michael and I are going to have that, and that is a good thing. Quick, easy, economical. Bye for now.